With streamers like Tim the Tatman, Asmongold, Deadly Slob, those are just a few, they've got amazing logos. I haven't seen it yet, but apparently, according to the interwebs, Ninja has rebranded. He's got a new logo and it's kicking up a bit of a storm, and as a graphic designer, I'm going to go ahead and check it out and see whether it's good or not, whether it's lit or shit. That's a series that people would love, lit or shit. Okay, so here's the video that Ninja has put out a couple of days ago. Let me check this out. Doesn't spark any interest in me at the moment. Same Ninja. Is that his new logo? Wait, is that his new logo? That's his new one. Is that? That is genuinely his new logo. I thought, I'm so confused right now. Okay, so what I've worked out is he had a very good logo prior, and I'm going to go into all of this, but his logo prior was very nice. His actual logo type, the ninja, was kind of like a ninja star. It had all the pointed edges, and it was more thematic of a ninja. Even his old icon looked like a ninja. It was blue, had a great color. It was gamery, which is appropriate, right? I'm very confused right now, but I think I've got a few reasons as to why he's rebranded. Let's start off with the logo type. I have no idea why he's done this or why this has been designed this way. Is there something with the I and the J? Something different, like it means something? I'm not too sure. If it is, then it kind of makes sense to have the I and the J. But specifically, why is it different weights? This reminds me very much so of a brand that literally just happened called Every. Hermes in the UK recently changed their branding to Every. That's their name now. And the logo type is strange. It's like this variable logo that changes depending on whatever case, and it's got a lot to do with like their mission statement, which makes sense, you know, diversity, fitting towards you rather than you fitting towards the company. Ninja, this one with the blocked I and the blocked J and the weird A that looks like an omega symbol, it's not even a trend. Like, this isn't even a trend from what I can gather. My point being is that the logo type itself seems as though it is very much trying to go to the anti-design realm to become relevant, but when you try so hard to become minimal anti-design, then you end up with something like this. It kind of seems very amateur like that. The second part is the icon. Now, this icon, I'm a bit confused again. If I was on this branding project, this would not be something that I would put forward as a concept. Number one, it reminds me of Sonic the Hedgehog because of the blue hair. You know, it's the spikes. It kind of looks like the Sydney Opera House as well, which doesn't make sense. Anyone who knows Ninja knows him by his bandana, hence why Red Bull sponsored him. It's got a lot to do with that. The great thing about the first one on the left is that you got the two-tone colors. It's more GFX. By that, it's like the gamer graphic design. We've got the bandana in yellow, we've got the hair, and he's got the ninja mask on. It makes so much sense. The typography is perfect. It's readable, legible, scalable. Gamer logos are generally in itself more illustrative. That's just the way it goes. There's a lot more into it. And I can't pretend that I know the brief of this, because the brief can get a little bit messy sometimes in logo design and branding. Now, the main question that I have after seeing this is the why. Why would he go ahead and choose something like this? Is this oversimplification because of the sake of oversimplification, or has this got another meaning towards it? I think the only times where you would simplify something like this, like the logo, is to make products and to partner with other companies. And strangely enough, I saw something as I was on his Twitter showing his partnership with another company, which I'm not having a go at. I think that's great if that's where he's going. But as you can see here, his new logo is being used at the top right, which is great. I mean, it works really well in scalability terms, but it doesn't make sense as his brand. His brand is a gamer. If he is moving away from being a gamer and into some more of like a personality streamer or into a new product line, then it might make more sense in itself. But right now, this doesn't particularly make sense. The logo mark is really annoying me. It doesn't make sense even if he was rebranding. So what I'm going to do is fix it up. But before that, I want to thank AppSumo for sponsoring this video. Let's see how fast I can talk about this because it's a really good thing for you. AppSumo is a digital marketplace for entrepreneurs like myself and most likely you if you're a graphic designer. They have the tools needed to automate a lot of things that you need to do in your business that waste time, so you can boost all your productivity, boost sales, and get more clients and do things a bit easier. Now today there is a special offer on Deposit Photos from AppSumo. Deposit Photos is a stock website for photos, for music, for videos, for vectors, and it's from AppSumo, and there are so many on here. I can just download the vector EPS or just the vector EPS. They've got amazing design assets on here from amazing abstract backgrounds that you see here that would be great in your portfolio work. Just saves you that bit of time when you're working with a client. Instead of having to do it, you can use one of these. You've got images as well, so where you can't find on Unsplash, or if you need a license for your client and to be able to use it for commercial use, then you've got it here. Now, a percentage of the proceeds going to this actually goes to the relief efforts in Ukraine. Now, as a special bonus to any of you guys, AppSumo are giving 20% off to the first 100 people who click the link in the description. Definitely go check them out, and thank you AppSumo for sponsoring this again. Okay, I've gone ahead and really quickly traced out his icon. I don't agree with it. It doesn't look good. It's not scalable, for one. And secondly, we've also got this negative space here. Now, that needs in any logo design, right? If it's going to be scalable, obviously you cannot see that when it's so small. If that's supposed to be the bandana, that looks like a bit of string wrapped around your head. It doesn't look like a bandana. Now, to help out Ninja and to sort of give my own 2 pence, I'm not going to design the icon again. There's no point. But something that we could do simply is design his logotype again. And we can do that by sticking to basic design principles. So instead of that crazy typeface, we're going to choose something that works better. Just a Montserrat for now. Easy font to work with. If this was left to right, this logo right here looks a lot better than the one he's currently got. It's a lot more scalable as well, simply because of the logo type. It's more readable, legible, which is important. Let me know your thoughts though. That literally took 2 minutes to just change the font essentially. That's the power of using the principles of graphic design. Let Jim have a look. Okay, so Jim, come here, get into the camera. His face is never... It's all right, you don't have to show your face. Don't show your face, it's dangerous. His original logo, Jim.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, don't cry. Then that. I mean, I've changed the color again, but let's do it to like that. I've just changed the logo type. What do you think?
Looking good, yeah.
Better?
Definitely 100% better.
I think so. Better in scale as well. It doesn't make half the amount of people cry. It's one of the first logos that I've seen in a while from a rebrand where I've really not defended it very much because it doesn't work. Now, if you think you could design the Ninja logo better, then go ahead to the subreddit, link down below in the description. You yourself can upload your version of the logo of what you think it should be, or just even write down your thoughts about the current design. If you'd like to see this video be designed by us in the agency, then go ahead, share this video, comment down below, like and subscribe. All those things help me out to know what you want to see. If we get enough, then we will go ahead and spend a few days on rebranding Ninja for free, just to see what it will be like and to see what we can do. Go ahead, design yours, put it in the Reddit, and I'll catch you in the next video. See you soon. Goodbye. Bing.